Grow garlic like a pro, even without a garden. Want fresh, flavorful garlic right at your fingertips? You don't need acres of land. This guide unlocks the secrets to growing amazing garlic in pots, perfect for balconies, patios, or small spaces. Let's get started. Not all garlic is created equal. Selecting the right variety is crucial for container success. Soft-neck garlic is generally recommended for warmer climates and stores well. Hard-neck varieties are better suited for colder regions and offer a more complex flavor. Look for certified disease-free seed garlic from a reputable source. Avoid using grocery store garlic, as it may be treated to prevent sprouting or may carry diseases. Your garlic's home is important. Choose wisely for optimal growth. Select a pot that is at least 8 inches deep and 6 inches wide for each bulb. Good drainage is essential to prevent rot. Terracotta or plastic pots both work well. Use a well-draining potting mix rich in organic matter. Avoid using garden soil as it can compact in containers and hinder drainage. Time to get your hands dirty. Proper planting sets the stage for a bountiful harvest. Plant garlic cloves in the fall, about 6 to 8 weeks before the first expected frost. This allows them to establish roots before winter. Separate the cloves from the bulb, being careful not to damage them. Plant cloves pointed end up, about 2 inches deep and 4 inches apart. Garlic needs consistent care to thrive. Water and nutrients are key. Water regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Fertilize with a balanced organic fertilizer in the spring when growth resumes. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can lead to excessive foliage growth and smaller bulbs. Sunlight is fuel for your garlic. Temperature plays a role too. Garlic needs at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Place your pots in a sunny location. Garlic is cold-hardy and can tolerate freezing temperatures. In very cold climates, you may need to provide some protection, such as moving the pots to a sheltered location or covering them with mulch. Keep your garlic healthy and strong. Watch out for potential problems. Garlic is relatively pest-resistant, but watch out for onion thrips and garlic mites. Treat infestations with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Ensure good air circulation to prevent fungal diseases. Remove any infected leaves promptly. The moment you've been waiting for, knowing when to harvest is key. Harvest garlic when the lower leaves begin to turn yellow and brown, typically in midsummer. Don't wait too long, or the bulbs may start to split. Gently dig up the bulbs, being careful not to damage them. Brush off any excess soil. Proper curing ensures long-lasting flavor. Storage is important too. Cure garlic by hanging it in a well-ventilated dry place for 2 to 3 weeks. This allows the outer layers to dry and protects the bulbs from rot. Store cured garlic in a cool, dry, and dark place. Properly stored garlic can last for several months. Even the best gardeners face challenges. Here's how to handle them. Yellowing leaves can indicate overwatering, underwatering, or nutrient deficiency. Adjust your watering and fertilizing accordingly. Small bulbs may be due to insufficient sunlight, poor soil, or overcrowding. Ensure your garlic receives enough sunlight, use a good quality potting mix, and space the cloves properly. The best part, savor the fruits or bulbs of your labor. Use your homegrown garlic in all your favorite recipes. The flavor will be far superior to store-bought garlic. Share your harvest with friends and family. They'll be amazed by your gardening skills. Ready to enjoy the satisfaction of growing your own delicious garlic, even without a traditional garden? Start planning your container garlic garden today. Get your seed garlic, choose your pots, and prepare your soil. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks, and leave a comment below to share your garlic growing experiences. Happy gardening!